Hello everyone, this is Parimala studying 2nd MCom AS National College, Gauribidnur. Today I am going to discuss about chapter 1 of business research method. The topics are business research method, under that introduction, meaning, scope, literature review, under that meaning, definition, importance, purpose, notes taking. Before starting this discussion, I would like to thank Mr. Vani Sharma ma'am, lecturer of AS National College, Gauribidnur, who guided me in preparation of this PPT. Thank you so much, ma'am. Let's start the discussion. Firstly, I would like to give a small introduction about business research methods. A business research method includes many ways of gathering information about an industry, its competition, or the opportunities available that are relevant to conducting research. Some methods include scoring the internet, collecting data at the library, interviewing customers, running surveys, and focus groups. Introduction. Business research is essential for every purpose. Before starting any activities like industries, companies, we business research is essential in every field. Let us know about what is meaning of business research. The application of the scientific method in searching for the truth about business phenomena. These activities include defining business opportunities and problems, gathering and evaluating ideas, monitoring performance, and understanding the business process. Next, let us know about what are the scope of business research. Under that, there are 7 scope of business research. That is, first one is production management, second one is personal management, marketing management, financial management, material management, general management, and last one is banking management. Let us know about detail in one by one. The first one is production management. Business research helps us to know what to produce, how much to produce, when to produce, whom to produce, quality control, and setting up optimum inventory level. Industries follow. Production management is essential in every production industries. So we have to make a research on production management also. The second one is personal management. Research work well for job design, organization restructuring, development of motivational strategies, and organizational development. For the development of organizational, personal management is very essential for every industry. So business research have to definitely conduct in personal management also. The third one is marketing management. Studies involving demanding forecasting, consumer buying behavior, measuring advertising effectiveness, media selection, test marketing, product positioning, new development. For the success of any business, marketing management is a key part in every industry. So if we have to manage the marketing management effectively, the business will automatically make a profit. So the company need to compulsory make a research on marketing management also. The fourth one is financial management. Research can be useful for portfolio management, distribution of dividend, capital raising, hedging, and looking after fluctuations in foreign currency and product. For the successful running of every industry or business, finance management is very essential and key part. If the company make a sufficient financial research on financial management of the company have to make a successful profits and they'll stay long run in the market. The fifth one is materials management. It is utilized in choosing the suppliers, making the decisions relevant to make or buy, as well as in selecting negotiating strategies. The industry has to make a research on materials management. What are the materials we have to purchase, where to purchase, how much to purchase. We have to Material management is also essential. The sixth one is general management. It contributes greatly in development the standards, objectives, long-term goals, and growth strategies. In order to set the objectives and goals of the industry, general management has to take research on general management also. Banking management. Gathering and analyzing information for their internal operation and for making in-depth studies on economic conditions of business. These are all the scope of business research. Last, we have to know about literature review. Let's know about what is the meaning of literature review. Review of literature is a description of the literature relevant to a particular field or topic. It gives an overview of what has been said, who the key writers are, what are the prevailing theories and hypotheses, what questions are being asked, and what methods and methodologies are appropriate and useful. Before we are going to conduct a research on any topic, we have to make a literature review. What are the procedures, and what are the questions we need to ask during the research? These are all available in doing literature review. So literature review is compulsory before conducting any research. Let us know what is the definition of literature review. Literature review is a body of text that aims to review the critical points of knowledge on a particular topic of research. Next, we have to know about what are the importance of literature review. The first one is identification of a research problem and development or refinement of research questions. The second one is generation useful research questions or project or activities for the discipline. The third one is orientation to what is known and not known about an area of inquiry to ascertain what research can be contribute to knowledge. Determination of any gaps or inconsistencies in a body of knowledge. Discovery of unanswered questions about subjects, concepts, or problems. Development of hypotheses to be tested in a research study. The literature review helps in planning the methodology of the present research study. So these are all the importance of literature review. Next, we know about purpose of literature review. The literature review describes the relationship of each study to other research studies under the consideration. Literature review helps in identifying new ways to interpret and shed light on any gaps in previous research. Literature review is very helpful in resolving conflicts among seemingly contradictory previous studies. It helps to identify potential relationship between concepts and to identify researchable hypotheses. Literature review helps us learn how others have defined and measured key concepts. It helps to develop alternative research products. Literature review also helps in identify data sources that other researchers have used. These are all about literature review. Next, I'm going to discuss note taking. Let us know what is note taking. Note taking is the practice of recording information captured from another sources. Every person, when we attend any seminar, class, or any interviews, every person take a notes, that is what are discussed in that what are discussed in that session, that is called notes taking. By taking notes, the writer records the essence of the information, freeing their mind from having to recall everything. Notes are commonly drawn from a transient source such as an oral discussion at a meeting or a lecture. Notes may be the only record of the event. Note taking is a form of self discipline. Note taking, it is depends upon the taker's interest, discipline, and the type of maintaining the notes while they are attending in the lecturing or any meeting. Next, we have to know about what are the importance of notes taking. The effective notes taking is an important practice to master at university. Notes taking enables you to avoid unintentional plagiarism. It helps you to focus on what is important in what you are reading or hearing. It helps you to understand and remember material and make connections. Note taking helps you to structure the assignments you are researching. It helps to provide a personal record of what you have learned and record your questions and ideas. Note taking sets you up for exam revision. These are all the importance of notes taking. Finally, the conclusion is business research is an important management activity that helps companies determine which products will be most profitable for companies to produce. Several steps are necessary when conducting business research. Each step must be thoroughly reviewed to ensure that the best decision is made for company. Business research is essential in every field. So before starting any company or before starting any company or deciding anything, we have to make research on that particular field. So thank you so much.